Hi everybody, welcome back to Eli's Imagination Station. And today we are putting the put back together to this choo-choo train. And I didn't do the first part on video. It was before Daddy was even awake, actually. One morning I decided to take it apart to see if I could fix it. Before, the only thing that was working was, your coffee is steaming, was the light and the wheels moving. He wasn't moving back and forth and the sound wasn't working. The first thing I got working was the sound. So I'm gonna show them this thing. So you guys see this little piece over the speaker? That piece was broken off, and we glued it back on there, and that's how the speaker wasn't working, because the magnet on the speaker was stuck to the motor right there, because this little thing was off. And I put that magnet back in, and the sound works. And I figured out that that's where that's supposed to go. That moves him back and forth. That was broken in half. But yeah, I got that working, guys. The only thing...
How'd that get fixed?
You glued it.
I had to glue it, yep. It was split right in half.
Daddy glued that too. Daddy glued that and Daddy glued that. And Mommy helped me get the screws apart. And now I'm gonna put it back together, guys. Here, let me bring it back here again. And this is kind of like the Jingle Bell Rock Santa. And today, Daddy will be helping me if I need help with something. Usually it's the opposite. Let's see, so start by kind of figuring out how this goes in. Let me see if that's... I should have known that wasn't going to work.
Might be this way.
There we go. The wheels are spinning. It doesn't shut it off.
I know. I'm just going to hold it. Because you said it has to set somewhere right here, you said. Right there.
It's not attached, guys.
So this is the back, right? And this is the front.
I can't see.
I'm going to try and put it on the right sides for you. There you go.
Yeah.
So that's the back, right?
I need this slide down right now.
Hold that up in the air.
So this... Which way did this gear go in?
Looks like...
Well, I know this goes in this way.
Yeah.
I'm just not sure.
I put the wheels.
No, I did.
Oh, you did?
I put the wheels in there. And then that kind of just sets onto there, I guess. And then the little guy, he holds the little light. Apparently he's from a train set.
Oh, it's the little pegs that hold. Oh, I see. Here, let's do it like this. Those little pegs must go in the bottom.
Okay, I need to put it back in.
I know.
I need to put it back in?
See that little yellow peg going to the side of the engine?
What yellow peg?
On the bottom. Right here. See, he goes in there. Yeah, you got it. And it just...
Your hands are in the way.
I know. I'm trying to hold them together. Is he in there?
Well, he was. I need you to move your hands.
Which hand? That one? Or this this one. I gotta keep one of them on there to try to hold them together.
Let's see. Oh, he moves back and forth.
Yep.
He wasn't moving back and forth originally, guys.
No.
Oh, ah! We can't do that.
No.
I want to see if oh, that just restarts it.
Yeah.
It has to be when it stops moving. Okay, now
And then once it stops,
we need
snap the
to.
bottom piece on.
No, before.
You gotta get this in that little peg.
No, after he stops, we need to put this in the front.
Or those go around him?
Yes.
Oh, okay, go ahead.
So I think this one goes in the back because the back had more screw holes. So this one goes in the front. Need to figure out how to get him back in there. He's probably not going to be the easiest. Hold on. I need to see that. No, he's not.
That goes there, and that goes there. You see that piece?
I thought I was going to put it.
You are. I'm just trying to figure out how it's gonna go. Well, I bet you it's, yep, you're right. I bet you it's, oh, the groove has to go in there. There you go. Put that one on the other side.
And then I'll screw it in really quick. Is he attached on that little black thing?
He is.
Yes.
Oh, he was. Nope, he's not. Oh, he must go under that. Oh, yeah, he goes underneath. Yeah, there you go. There you got it.
And then
So a couple screws in. Don't we need to put this part on first? Because this goes over that.
no,
It goes over this edge, just like it did on this one.
it does?
Yeah. So we have to put like
Oh,
half of it
yeah.
together and then put the other half. A lot of them are like this. So
Okay.
to do that, we have to put the whole half together.
Okay. Let's do that.
And in there, I'll hold that.
I'm gonna-
You got it in place. And then this, that hole has, see this?
I know. Right there.
You got it?
But then what are these for?
That's just for the other side. Everything's there. Okay, I'm holding it.
Do I have to screw it back in or something?
Now you gotta put this piece that's on right here. Yeah, put that in first. Goes in the, it's not in the groove on the front.
Yeah, this one's a little bit.
There you go. Now put that half on. Put the yellow part on first.
I'm pretty sure they have to go on like together or
Well,
something.
the yellow part has to slide behind this wheel, see?
Oh.
There you go.
Nice.
Gotta get them all lined up. It'll slide into place.
This was a lot easier to fix than it is to put back together.
Mm-hmm. That is the case sometimes. Is the bottom lined up? Let's part a little bit here.
Let's put this piece on now.
Is that wheel in the groove or something? Why is there a gap there?
I don't know. I got this guy at Goodwill for
There we go.
99 cents. What happened?
My hand just slipped. That happened the whole time.
Ah! I had it all together.
I know you did. I'm trying to hold it. Oh, shoot. Oh, he still moves.
And the wheels move. Apparently he's supposed to pull like 3 animals, I believe, actually. Something goes there. Oh, that's this piece.
Yep. And you hold them and then you can put the...
Just don't put your hand over the button.
I'm not.
It's really close to the button.
That's what happened. That's how I started.
Oh, what about this front piece? Oh no, that piece goes in last. That piece goes in last.
Yeah.
That piece goes in last.
It does, I think you're right.
Okay,
Okay,
put
so
this
now-
front piece back on.
Yeah. It's got to slide over the yellow.
Over here.
Yeah, that yellow goes inside of it. Yeah,
What
there
happened?
you
I
go.
got it all together.
There you go.
And you put
Okay.
your finger there.
Now, there's the other piece. Slide that one over the top.
And then I'll screw that back together.
You got slide it in so it goes over the yellow. Yeah, yellow goes in that groove. Nope, the bottom groove.
Oh,
There you go.
spoken like a true son of a,
Toy fixer.
yeah.
There, now put a screw in that front one. Screw that one in.
Sounded like I was about to say son of a nutcracker.
You're not Elf.
I could be if I wanted to. We gotta put those in there tightly. Since we won't have to open it up again, hopefully.
Yeah, I hope not.
This one was pretty easy to take apart though.
Mm-hmm.
This one was a lot easier than the one we have to like take the
Is it
skin off
tight?
of.
That don't seem like it's tight.
It might be like this down here. Maybe we need to put those in.
Let me see if it's... I'm just going to make sure that they're tight all the way. So that was pretty good. That one was really good. Okay. Now, try not to turn it on. Down.
I think that's as good as that one's gonna get.
Okay.
At least for my hands. Oh, so that's the one that was shorter. The shorter one went somewhere. I don't remember where the shortest one went though.
Maybe the battery cover. Oh no, that one has one in it.
Oh,
Could be right here in the middle.
I'm thinking maybe it's this front piece.
Yeah, maybe.
I'm not sure it really matters though, does it? If a screw is longer than the other?
Well, if it's longer than what the hole is deep, it won't fit in all the way.
Oh yeah. Okay, the screwdriver's starting to bounce, which means that means that it's almost like it's not snapped in all the way.
Oh, it's not. That seems pretty good.
Because we shouldn't be able to see the side of that little top piece.
That one was nice and tight. This one just didn't want to go in.
Well, he still moves back and forth.
Yeah.
Well, he moves back and forth now. He didn't before I took him apart, and the sound didn't work either.
Yeah. I keep hitting the button while I'm trying to hold it.
And I was taking him apart, I just took out the batteries.
Yeah. Oh yeah, let's do that. Okay. So now, put that side on.
This- That's right.
Yeah, that looks good.
Screwdriver and another.
Where do the screws go? Oh, right there.
There might have been some screws inside of there. Like inside of it. I'm pretty sure the only ones I took out. Yeah, the only screws I took out were the ones keeping the train together.
Yeah.
Pretty sure that's.
That one goes in the front right there.
Oh, yeah. And that front piece was probably used for something inside of it. Because I'm not seeing anywhere that would go. That's as tight as I can get that one.
Where do I go in?
No, that's as tight as I could get it in.
There we go. Nice and tight. Okay, put that on. Make sure the wires are inside.
Can you put those back in there? I don't want this one to be one of them that starts smoking.
Yeah.
So I want to make sure I put it in there to where the wires will
This
be.
part goes under.
That's where the other screw went.
Yep. So one screw goes there in the bottom.
I'm pretty sure this one can push it in. I forgot where I'm doing a video.
Yeah.
It's already starting to get a little tight.
Okay. That one
You're
in the front.
going to see if that one's in all the way. Been doing that on all of them to see if they're in all the way.
Yeah, that was good.
So now just this front screw, which looks like it would probably be the smallest one.
Mm-hmm.
We've got Christmas music playing on in the background, guys.
Mm-hmm.
Video's only been.
That was going the wrong way.
Oh. I'll flip it up. Oh yeah, see if that one's in all the way.
Yeah. Okay.
And then I'm gonna push the button.
And he moves.
So, guys, imagine it without the music and without him moving back and forth. That's what it was doing before.
Mm-hmm. So your first repair where you fixed it. Where you fixed it.
Yes, I fixed this, guys. I got it working!
Good job, buddy.
Let's put the battery cover back on and kind of go through all the songs it has.
Oh, it's got a bunch of songs.
Yeah, it has a whole bunch of different songs.
Mm.
Come on. And the hardest part is putting the battery cover back on.
That's because you got price tag on there still.
It's got nothing to do with the price tag.
There it goes.
Absolutely nothing to do with the price tag. It just...
You say that because you like the remote.
I see that?
Other way. Other way. There you go.
This thing is very dirty, guys.
Just clean it.
Nah.
Keep it a little bit straight on.
Well, it's hard to do that.
This screwdriver is a little bit small, but the normal one we use is too big around to fit in the holes. Alright, let's listen to him.
Remember that we started on this one.
You can just do this.
Then they can't see it. And they can't like see it like rolling around.
You see it rolling.
And then just once it gets close to the here, we can put it all the way back here.
Yep.
Which isn't gonna be much longer. After this song, we can move the camera towards the floor. So that way we don't have to worry about him moving around too much.
I got it.
And set it on the floor. Hey guys, we got the train working. What you guys doing under the table? Okay, I'm still gonna have to do that, so
Yeah.
we'll be able to see it. Here, we'll kind of.
You can just turn it around. Oh, be facing it.
Nope, it was better on the table. Let's move back. Let's move back on the table. It was a lot better on the table. I can smell those muffins Mommy's making. He's supposed to like come with a train track, and he comes with like 3 animals. Now I got less,
Way over there.
but then they won't be able to see it there.
Well, this is the edge of the table right here.
Supposed to come with a train track and like 3 cars where he carries a pig, a horse, and I believe a cow too.
Pig, a horse, and a cow.
And as they roll, they like kind of spin around, kind of like the elephant one I used to have that
yeah.
would carry the
Jeez, he plays a lot of songs.
I bet it was made from the exact same brand. This is the only song that really makes sense with the animals.
Old MacDonald had a farm, yeah.
It's like farm animals. Did you know that Old MacDonald's horse was on vacation when they wrote the book?
Really?
Let's see if that... We got plenty of time.
Is that the first song?
I don't think so. My Aunt Sissy has one just like this.
Mm-hmm.
That's how I know what it. That's how I knew what it does. Let's see if that's it. I'm pretty sure that was the first song.
Yeah, I think so.
Now, guys, here's a view of the back. Train's coming through. Ah! Come towards Papa Train. Oh, it's gonna crash into me.